let's get started.
Hey guys, what's up? Rodrigo Lima here at Lime Design. I've got a lot of different 3D printers. Today we're going to talk about the Ultimaker. So come on, let me show you about them. This is PLA, which is a biodegradable material. ABS plastic, Legos. PETG plastic, water bottles. TPU or rubber. PC is polycarbonate, impact resistant material. The way these machines work is that the filament, you see it here, goes down into this little heated chamber, which then pushes it out of the nozzle in the bottom, similar to a glue gun.
The Ultimaker machines are super reliable and allow us to quickly get our ideas prototyped and tested on the fly with many material options to work with. If you're looking for product development and prototyping services, reach out to us at limecreativedesign.com and check out our social pages at Lime Design 3D.